Welcome back to this video, and today's tutorial I'm going to show you at least 5 best photo editing app for Android users. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this guide useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more tutorial about photo editing app. With that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. Let me show you 5 best photo editing apps for Android. What make them the best? So let's check them out. So the very first one I want to show you here, as far as best photo editing app is concerned for Android user, is this one right here, Do Photo. Okay, now Do Photo, let's simply click on that. You can get this app successfully download and install on your Android phone from Google Play Store. So for you to do that, let's simply go to my what you need to do to get the app is to simply head over to your Play Store right here. I'm going to click on my Play Store. Then what you need to do is to simply type in Do Photo, Do Photo, Do Photo. Okay, click on search and you have it this way. So download and install it. Then after you have successfully download and install it, click on open. So because I have already have this app on my phone, that is why you see open. All right, so it takes you to this particular page. What are the things you can do with this particular app? So this app here allow you to create AI cartoon, enhancing the quality of your image from low resolution to very higher resolution. You can freestyle with your photo. You can also remove the background of your image. You can add effects. You can use this as a camera snap. Then you can use a colleague right here. Okay. Then I'm going to simply click on photos right here and we check out on it's a very simple app to work with. So I'm going to go to my picture. Then I will select a picture from my album. Then I'll head over to my camera right here. So let's see the simple magic. I'm going to select this picture right here. Okay, now it takes you to this particular page. Then you can adjust the image, you can add filter, you can add effects, you can cut out, you can remove stuff, you can frame the picture, you can also have multiple picture. You can add text, you can add sticker, etc. in this particular section. When you are done with everything, you simply click on the top right here to download the picture. Now let's see how we add effect. I'm going to click on effect right here and you can add auto adjust. So I'm going to click on auto adjust, take a look at it. Having selected my auto adjust, I can simply use my slider right here to control the adjustment. Okay, once you're satisfied with the adjustment, simply click on here to accept that filter, okay, that adjustment. Then I can simply add filter right here. So let's check on that. So filter here is going to present you with variety option that you can simply add in download and add it to your image. So I'm going to control the slider down a little bit. So if you are not satisfied with any of the filter, you can swipe and see more options as far as filter is concerned. So there are a lot of filters right here that you can use and it's all for free. So I'm going to click on here to accept. Then we can also add effects to our image. So the effect depends on what exactly you want to achieve. So this one right here, I'm going to simply add this type of effect and I'm going to simply select on this. Then we have it this way. So if you don't like that one, you can choose another type of effect. It's as simple as that. But if you don't like any one of them right here, so we can simply close it and effect again, and we look at another effect. So this is blur effect. So this allows you to blur. So I'm going to select this one right here. So this allows us to blur the background of our image. So I'm going to turn it down a little bit. Okay, so I still need to be turned down a little bit. Okay, so there are a lot of features on this particular app that you can simply explore. So once you're satisfied with the results, simply click on this check mark here and you are good to go. You can check on more effects right here. Let's check on the frame. So frame here, there are a lot of different frames that you can use to frame your image on this particular app. So I'm going to use this particular frame right here. Take a look at it. But if you don't like the frame, simply click on here to exit from there. Then you can also add additional image. Use this button here to add additional image. So I'm going to click on that. Then we can select image from our camera. We need to add this image right here. Then we can simply resize the image and position it somewhere. So this image here, we can cut out the background of the image. So let's see background remove. Right here, we have cut out. So it's as simple as that. Once the background has been removed, simply click on here to accept it and click on OK. We want it to be transparent background. We can simply position it right here. Okay, so once you're satisfied with everything, then simply click on here, then you are good to go. So all in all, when you are done with every editing stuff like this, all you need to do is to simply come to the top right here, click on here, and you're going to simply download it and successfully save into your full gallery. So let's simply go back. So right here, you can also make use of AI tone, enhancements, freestyle. A lot of things can be done with this app just on your Android phone. So let's take a look at the second app I want to show you as far as best photo editing app for Android user is concerned. Okay, so the other one I would like to show you as far as best photo editing app is concerned is called ColorPop. So let's check it out. You see, this ColorPop here has a lot of features, such as it allows you to cartoon your image, colorize with colleague, and also it allows you to create simple colleagues, ColorPop, sprayer, and portrait, etc. There are a lot of things you can do with this stuff. Okay, so let's take a look at the third one I have for you as far as best photo editing app is concerned. Okay. The third one I have for you here is Photo. So let's check it out. So, all right, this particular app here has a lot of great features you might think of. Okay, now from the top right here, there are colleague, AI avatar, magic eraser, filters, text to image, AI cartoonizer, enhancement, background remove. You can click on here to see more. Okay, and also they have a lot of AI template right here that you can simply explore, and you get high quality image editing. So you can scroll down and explore this app right here. Okay, so this is the third one I have for you as far as best photo editing apps for Android is concerned. So let's take a look at the fourth one as far as best photo editing app is concerned. All these apps here, you can get them from your Google Play Store. Okay, another one I have for you here is image compressor. So let's check them out. All right, so image compressor and resizer is also great Android app photo editing. What you can do with this app here is that it can allow you to compress whatever size of image fast and free. It allows you to advance compression. Then it allows you to resize your image. It allows you to crop your image, and it allows you to fit size of an image as the case may be. You can also scroll down here. This one also allows you to PDF to image, image to PDF. Allow you to remove background. There are a lot of features right here that this app can eventually allow you to do, all for free, such as PNG to JPEG, PNG to JPEG, JPEG to PNG, JPEG to JPEG, etc. So you can simply scroll down right here and see more as far as image compressor and resizer is concerned. So let's take a look at the very last one on how you can get best photo editing apps in Android. Okay, all right, so the fifth one right here is Photo Lead. Let's check it out. Photo Lead AI art. This is one of the greatest and best photo editing apps in Android. This allows you to edit your photo. It allows you to create an avatar, double exposure, remove objects from a photo, and you can swipe and see more stuff you can do. It can allow you to animate, enhance, and colorize your image, then change background of image and add filter. So right here, they have a lot of templates that you can pick from here and then turn your image to a stunning AI costume, AI scene, AI service, AI headshot, and AI cartoon, AI hidden face, AI anime, AI room. You can scroll down. There are a lot of features in this app. Okay, so what you need to do is to head over to your Google Play Store, download, install, and start to explore, edit your photo without any stress using just your Android phone. I hope you really got value for this video and you found this collection very interesting. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about Android editing tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.